My thoughts about the Helmut Lang fashion show from the experience point of view. Fashion Week in New York started with the Helmut Lang, the most anticipated fashion show this season in New York. Peter Do, the new art director, has his debut. One thing to mention beforehand is that fashion shows in New York are very exclusive. So if you are not deeply involved in the fashion scene, you wouldn't know where the fashion shows will take place. Different than Milan because there it's in the official fashion event calendar. What I think the Helmut Lang fashion show did greatly is even they remain exclusive, they did not exclude the audience who is already there at the building. They choose a fabulous location which used greatly, as you can see here, the architecture, and actually you have a fabulous view from the outside through these large windows. I wouldn't even say that the view from the outside was maybe one of the best because it's an elevated helicopter perspective, so you could grasp a holistic experience of this fashion presentation. You could see all key elements of this brand, which is the big statement being printed on the floor, which you can see them fantastically from that perspective. And also the statements are printed in English and Vietnamese, which supports Peter Do having a Vietnamese background. Puristic architecture, large open space, and great use of natural daylight fully supports the silhouette and the design of Helmut Lang's fashion. I think the team picked on purpose to express the core value of this brand. I was very impressed by the perfectly choreographed walking formation on the runway, which expresses a certain simplicity but also high-level complexity, which completely goes in line with these collections' design and the core value of Helmut Lang. Even though I wasn't able to fully immerse myself into the fashion show or see the collection from close up, I think Helmut Lang delivered a perfect fashion experience that completely expresses their brand value. Great case.